Today is my first day of school. These are my new clothes. My bag is ready. I look ready. This is your book, Bill. Here.
Your pencils are here.
Thank you, Mom and Dad.
Please, don't forget the milk.
Yes, I put the milk in.
Today is your first day. Be relaxed. School is fun.
Yes.
I am ready to.
Goodbye, Mom. Let's buckle up.
Are you nervous, Bill?
I am a little nervous, but I feel happy. I feel the same. The first day is always scary.
That is right. I felt nervous too. Then I made new friends.
Do you have everything, Bill? Yes, I have books, pencils, and milk.
Good job. Ask the teacher or friends if you do not understand.
We are at school. Oh, oh. We are at school. We are at school.
Today is a very special day. Be confident.
And have fun. Let's go, Bill. Wow, the school is so big. It's amazing. Look at Pace now. I really like this school. Hello, Bill. Hello, teacher. How are you, sweetie? I'm great. Goodbye, Anna. See you tonight. Bye.
Hello, Bill. Sit here, please.
Hello, I am Bill. Hi, Bill. I am Tom. This classroom is fun. Yeah.
Sit nicely. Let's start the lesson. Hello, children. Today is the first day. I am very happy to see you. I do. Today, we will learn a very fun topic.
Wow.
Today, we will learn about dinosaurs. This is a dinosaur.
Wow, it is very big.
Do you like dinosaurs?
Yeah. I like dinosaurs. Yes.
This dinosaur is tall. This dinosaur is fast.
Yes. Very cool.
Good job, everyone! The class is over.
Oh, over? It's over? Time is very fast. I am very happy today.
Goodbye, teacher. Han.
Goodbye, children. See you tomorrow.
I want to come to school again tomorrow. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more lessons. Bye-bye.